Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Mani Thakur, manager of Royal Blue Public School, Barabanki, highlighted the need for India's school education system to shift from rote learning to experiential learning with skilled teachers. She also stressed the significance of the 4Cs: collaboration, critical thinking, communication, and creativity as essential skills for 21st century learners. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today we have with us a special guest. She is Mani Thakur, manager, Royal Blue Public School, Barabanki. So welcome to the summit, ma'am. How is your experience being here?
It's wonderful. I'm really enjoying learning over here.
Okay, thank you. That's great to hear, ma'am. So in today's summit, we have been talking about education, policies, changes, and how we can move forward. So in your opinion, what do you think India's school education system में क्या ऐसा कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव किया जाए कि we can see big changes happening?
Yeah, as far as I can see or we all can experience, it has changed a lot. But then too, we need to shift from rote learning to the other things,
Right.
like for the critical thinking, for communication, for more experiential learnings and more skilled teachers. And complete implementation of NEP 2020, which yet has not been done.
Absolutely.
And with all such things, holistic development of a child is very much needed. So these are the combinations if we are going to include in our education system, then we can see a great change in the coming time.
Absolutely. So जो आज का system CBSE has introduced 2 board exams and there is many more changes coming. So do you think a traditional assessment system is working, or do we need any changes to that to inculcate the present day requirements?
See, with time, everything needs a change.
Right.
Then only we can grow, or our country or anything in the future can be grown. So if I talk about the education, it do need changes, and these two kind of examination system is very much required for the children. And what we see, when there is a consistency, there are some limitations.
Absolutely.
We come to the limitations then. But when the changes are going to be happen, then we can go, into many things. Like the children are going to, learn with many techniques we are going to get into. So these, changes are really going to make a difference in future.
Okay, that's great. So when we talk about 21st century learners, what do you think defines a student who is, ready to thrive in the 21st century market?
See, in my opinion, inculcating 4 C's, which are very much important for, 21st century kind of a child. These C's indicates collaboration between the children or teacher or parents.
Right.
Number 2 is critical thinking. Number 3 is communication.
Okay.
We see many of us or the children are lacking in it.
Right.
So these are the C's which we are, definitely needing to the, 21st century child.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, and it was a wonderful experience having you here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 7217070100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.